My name is Wesley Hamblin. This is the assignment 6 for class CIV 110, and I'm going to do a presentation on construction project management because it's a field that I wish to enter after my schooling. Some of the things that I'm going to cover in the presentation are the school requirements, job title and responsibilities, which are going to vary from company to company, but generally stay the same, and companies hiring in the field, and some recent impressive construction that I find very interesting to me, and I think personally would have been very fun and interesting to work on and be a part of. And of course, the last slide's going to credit. It's going to source all of my information. And that's just self-explanatory. Alright, some of the school requirements for the TCC requirements. These are the classes. I plan on getting my associates in civil engineering technology with my certificate in construction project management, but a majority of the companies require you to have a bachelor's degree and the similar field of construction science or civil engineering or an engineering field. Some of the classes at TCC you'll take for the certificate are blueprint reading and building code, construction management and estimating, contract documents and construction law, some math classes, civil construction materials, construction planning and scheduling. Just good general classes for completing. The job titles and responsibilities, like I said, are going to generally change company to company, but overall stay the same. Collaborate with engineers and determine specifications of the project, negotiate contracts with vendors, and obviously reach profitable agreements. Determine the needs, the resource from start to finish, pay attention to the budget, and obtain the licensings and permits from the appropriate authorities, and the overall well-being of the construction site, including its equipment and employees, and also to plan all construction operation and schedule immediate phases to ensure deadlines are met, acquire equipment and material, and monitor the stock, and make sure everything is on schedule, hire contract and other staff and associate responsibilities, supervise the work and laborers and give them guidance when needed, evaluate progress and prepare detailed reports, and basically it's going to do with a lot of the budgeting and bidding of new jobs and material and monitoring profit margin and making sure everything is basically done in a timely fashion. Some of the companies hiring are Jacobs, Turner, Whining and Turner, and I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, Beachtel, and Aimcom, and Jacobs. They're also Turner. A lot of these have offices here in the Hampton Roads area and throughout the world. The Beachtel is the largest company of them all, and obviously any of these companies would be great for growth inside of the company and are a part of some of the large construction throughout the world. Some impressive construction that I find interesting is the Dubai Tower, otherwise known as Burj Khalifa, or the Khalifa Tower. It's located in Dubai. Its construction companies were Samsung, and there's a couple other firms that were involved, but they weren't 100%. And they broke ground in January 2004 and finished in 2010. It took over 22 million man hours to complete. 431 cubic yards of concrete were used. 39,000 tons of steel rebar were used also. It's very impressive, and I feel like it's going to be a staple for skyscrapers and structures to be the same, because it's very strong and resistant to weather and strong winds. So it's going to be a good one, and obviously is incredibly beautiful. So I feel like it would be very fun to be a part of. The next one is in the Berger Center of Advanced Pediatric Care. It's located in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and it was constructed by the Turner Company in 2015. It's 700,000 square feet, and also has a 5-story, 1,500 square foot parking garage underneath of it. And I believe the building behind of it you're seeing is also a Turner building as well. It's another building constructed by the same company. And it's just a very pretty building. I like the shapes and the colors. I think it stands out and makes it look very modern, and seems like it would be very pretty. All right, and the last one is the Mercedes-Benz Stadium in Atlanta, Georgia, home to the Atlanta Falcons and the Major League Soccer team that I do not know the name of. It was constructed in 2017. I'm not sure how many years it ran. It holds 67,000 or 72,000 fans, and can hold up to 80,000 in different events. But for sporting, it's 72,000. And it has a very interesting retractable roof that resembles a camera lens, and is which is very impressive, and has one of the largest 360 view LED screens, which is the largest anywhere in any sports arena. It's 64,000 square feet of LED. It is extremely impressive, and would love to see it eventually one day. This building is very incredible, and sure is very exciting for the population of Atlanta. Alright, and my credits, obviously, well, a lot sourced out from various places. And that concludes my presentation on construction project management and some of the interesting construction projects that I feel would be fun and interesting to be a part of.